Today we'll be taking a look at the Inno Roof Rack system for factory track rails. The stays are available with part number INTR, and the bars are available in a variety of lengths. See our website for the length that will work best for you. The Inno Roof Rack system is going to allow us to carry Inno as well as other accessories on top of our vehicle, such as kayak carriers, roof-mounted cargo baskets, and bike racks. The square profile crossbars are made of a hardened steel with an elastomeric coating, and they come in 8 lengths, ranging from 42 to 65 inches. The crossbars come in a pair, including the end caps, to keep grime and debris from getting inside. The crossbars are held in place by Inno's versatile stay. Now this particular model is designed to fit on the factory track rail systems. The stays also feature a locking mechanism, which is designed to cover up our hardware, that way it can't be tampered with. Now this Inno Roof Rack system has a max weight capacity of 140 pounds. But keep in mind, it's going to be limited to your vehicle's roof capacity, which you can find in your owner's manual. Now Inno recommends a crossbar spread between 19 and 5/8 inches and 30 and 3/8 inches. You can adjust these depending on your load length. Now that we've gone over some of the features, I'll go ahead and show you how to put it together and install it on our vehicle. We've already got the rear in place, so we can go ahead and finish this one. So we've got our crossbar. We've got our 2 stays designed to fit with the factory track rail. And then we've got our fit hooks that are specifically designed for our vehicle. You can find your specific vehicle on our website at etrailer.com. So first thing we'll do is we'll grab one of the stays. We'll take our keys, and we're going to need to remove the cover. That's going to reveal where our hardware goes. Then we'll take this portion of our fit hook. We'll put it underneath. And then we're going to take 2 screws. We'll want to line it up with the holes there, of course. We'll take 2 screws, put those through the top just to keep it in place. So it'll look like that. Then we'll take one of the hooks. We'll put it underneath and go ahead and screw that on a little bit. Now when it fits into our track rail on top of our vehicle, it's going to be in this position, and I'll show you how that works when we get it up there. So let's go ahead and put this other hook in place. All right, and then we can put the other one together. So now we'll take our stay with the fit hooks installed, and then we're going to want to set that on our track rail. And it's going to sit on the inside and the outside portion of it. Then once we've got it in there, we'll take our included Allen key and we'll tighten that down a little bit. We don't want to tighten it all the way down just yet, but just enough so it's not going to come back out. Then we can repeat that same step on the other side. Now with those 2 stays in place, we'll grab our crossbar and we'll just feed it through, meeting with the other side. We'll come over here and we'll finish receiving the crossbar. Now that we've got that slid in here, we'll need to make sure that we have even bar overhang on both sides. So you can use a tape measure or your finger just to line up, just to make sure that it's even. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. Now before we tighten our stay down, we'll want to make sure that we have equal crossbar spread on both sides. I've already had the rear in place, like I said before, and I've slid my stay all the way up to this panel here as far as it'll go, which is making it 28 inches, which is what we're going with today. So then we'll take our included Allen key and tighten that down. Let's go ahead and put on our crossbar end caps. Then finally, let's install our cover. So we'll just slide that on, making sure that your key is in the unlock position. And once it's in place, lock that up, and then it's covering up our hardware. Now with our last cover on, our Inno Roof Rack system is installed, and we're ready to start loading up some accessories. And that's going to complete our look at the Inno Roof Rack system for factory track rails.